Hi crochet lovers, welcome back to Miguelscrochet. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to do the rim part for the mini Wiwi. I actually forgot to film it in my other tutorial, so there you guys have it. My apologies, and let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, I'm ready to do the rim. So all you need is grab your yarn. I'm using chenille yarn size 6 and a 5.5mm hook. So for the rim, basically we need to do 3 half double crochet to the side, 12 horizontal, and again 3 back to the side. So let's do that. So first, what I like to do, you guys, is I like to start with a chain 1, a slip knot basically, and now you guys, I'm gonna insert my hook in 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So right here around 4, and now you guys, I'm gonna pull the loop through to start working on it. So there you go guys, just pull the loop through, and now I'm gonna do chain 1, and now you guys, I'm gonna start doing 3 half double crochet to the side. So let me start doing that. So wrap my hook around, and right here I'm gonna do my first half double crochet. So let me do that. There we go guys, made my first half double crochet, and now let's do 2 more. So I'm gonna go back right here and push my hook maybe right here. So right there. Alright guys, there we go, made my second half double crochet, and now you guys, I'm going to the side, right next to the eye. So I'm gonna make 1 more half double crochet to the side. I'm gonna push my hook right there, hopefully you guys can see. There we go guys, and right there I'm gonna do my third half double crochet. Alright guys, and now I'm ready to do a total, I believe, 12 half double crochet going around. So let's do that. So next I'm gonna just push my hook right there to the side now, working horizontal, and you guys, I'm just gonna do half double crochet all around. So we have 1, and I'm just gonna continue now to the side. There we have 2. You guys, it's hard to film and look at the camera at the same time. Well, crochet. Alright guys, let me continue to the side. Just keep doing half double crochet to the side, you guys. By the way, if you guys want to grab a copy of this pattern, it's on my website at www.miguelscrochet.com, so go check it out if you don't have time to follow this tutorial. Okay guys, let's continue doing half double crochet to the side. Okay guys, I'm just gonna, okay, let me just continue filming. I was gonna skip it, but I will be there in just a few more minutes. So you guys can see I'm just doing half double crochet all around. Alright, a few more half double crochet, you guys, I'm getting there. Hopefully you guys are doing it at the same time with me. Okay guys, come on, almost there. Alright you guys, I'm getting close to the eyes. Alright, let me see how much I've made already guys. So we have 3 to the side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and it's perfect right there. So here we are gonna do the last one, 12 you guys, and now it's time to do 3 going up. So the next one I'm gonna do right here close to the eyes. Made my first one right there, you guys. The second one will be right here. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. 2 you guys, and the last one right there. Hopefully you guys can see it as well. There we go. Alright guys, so I made 3 going up, and now I'm just gonna finish with the slip stitch. into the first stitch. And now you guys, all you need to do is cut your yarn. There we go. And now you guys just grab your needle. And now you guys, I like to go back right here, maybe a little bit to the side. Let me see where's the center. Yeah, I think right there will be good. And now I'm just gonna push the needle. And now pull it a little bit hard. Not too hard because you don't want to break the chenille yarn. There you go guys. And now I usually like to hide my tail, but before I hide it, I like to make a few more knots. Because you never know. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay, let me just pull it again. It's starting to shed already, usually with chenille yarn. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna do one knot right here to secure the yarn. There we go. I'm gonna push back and just pinch it right, maybe right there. Yeah. Okay guys, and now I'm just gonna cut this and just push it, hide the little fluff. And I'm gonna do the same right here guys. Hide the tail, there we go. Doesn't show too much. Okay, I'm gonna clean this mess. Alright guys, and there you have it. That's how you do the rim for my mini Wiwi pattern. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful, super easy to do you guys. And yeah, thanks so much for your support. And again, if you guys would love to get a copy of my mini Wiwi pattern, it's on my website. And I have many other fun modifications for you guys. So yeah, thanks so much for your support. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.